Hello students, I Parnika, your computer teacher, is here to talk
How
about
we can edit a document. This is a document which I have already created. Now I want to edit or make changes in this document. So basically editing means making changes in this document. So if I want to make changes in this document, I can go ahead and make the changes. There are various type of changes which I can make. So basically editing includes copying, moving, adding or deleting text. You can add something, you can delete the already existing text, you can copy the text, you can move the text if you want. So basically editing help you in doing this. Today basically we'll be talking about how we can insert the text. Secondly, we'll be talking about how we can select the text for copying, moving or deleting. So first we'll talk about inserting text. What is inserting text? Inserting text is basically adding text to your existing file. So if you want to add something, a word or a sentence or a paragraph, you can add it by using the inserting text mode. Okay. So in the inserting text method, there are two modes which are included. In the inserting text method, there are two modes which are included. One is the insert mode, the other is the overtype mode. Once again, I'll repeat, first is the insert mode, the second is the overtype mode. Today we'll be talking about first the insert mode. What is the insert mode? Insert mode is basically the default mode of MS Word. MS Word default mode is insert mode, under which the new text gets add on and the existing text starts shifting towards the right side. Okay. So once if I want to add something, what I'll do is I'll take my cursor towards the area where actually I want to add a word or a text or a word or a sentence or a line or a paragraph. I'll take my cursor towards there and I'll click on the respective area. So if I want to add something after computer, what I'll do is I'll put my cursor there. It will start blinking. Then I can go ahead and type it. You must have seen while I was typing, the existing text was shifting towards the right hand side. So this is the one which it is being done automatically under MS Word. So if you add something, the already existing text would start shifting towards the right. This mode is known as insert mode. It is by default present in your document. Once you are typing something in Word, it is by default selected. So nothing will get deleted. Everything will start shifting towards the right. This is the insert mode. Once we talk about the overtype mode, what happens under the overtype mode? Under the overtype mode, in this mode, when you wish to replace the existing text with the new one, under this, what happens? The existing text is replaced by the new text. So if I want to write something, it will actually overtype it. What will happen? The existing text would get deleted and a new text will take the position of the existing text. So this is the overtype mode. How will actually work with overtype mode? It is not already activated in your MS Word. You need to activate it. Once you want to activate this mode, all you need to do is you need to get into the status bar. Where is the status bar? Status bar is located on the left hand side corner of the screen. This is the status bar. Once you go to the status bar, on the blank area, you need to right click. As soon as you right click, customize status bar pop-up menu will appear. Under this menu, we need to select overtype. You need to select overtype. Once you will select it, it will show you a tick mark in front of it. That means the overtype mode is selected. Under the overtype mode, what you can do is you can go ahead and you can add the text. While you are adding the text, the existing text would get deleted. See here. So the existing text got deleted. So this is the way how the overtype method works. This is the way how the overtype method works. Now you can see insert is coming here. Once you click on the insert mode is activated. Once you click on the overtype method will be activated. So this is how you can actually go ahead and insert text by the help of two methods. One is the insert mode method, the other is the overtype mode. I hope this is clear to you people.